So the first step I did was basically create a folder that has a bunch of published articles that I'm going to be doing. Using the Google Apps script, I first found the location of the folder ID, and then I created a function that scans the folder for docs. Basically, if a Google Doc has been recently updated, then I'll figure that out, export the information in an HTML. And then I made a function that takes in a specific doc, obviously with permissions and all of that, and the format I'd like to export it in, either HTML or Markdown. And then using the Google Drive API export capability, I can then export it to whatever kind of format I need. And I went ahead and created a repository for my site. So then I chose a theme. I chose this one because I like kind of the isometric, interactable boxes. And I am uploading now. After posting the information to the GitHub and setting it to public, I then did an HTML test and another Markdown test, and we'll see if it's live and if it works. Actually, I'm gonna try to fork it instead. We'll see how it works. Then I can continue to get updates from the main branch. Okay, so the site is up and running. Now I guess I just want to see if I can get my blog posts in. I can push the HTML content to GitHub using a specific token that I got from GitHub. Right here, you can see I use the specific token, which gives me basically access to edit the repository, and then I need to generate a valid file name because the website uses a specific file structure for posts. We see test post 1, and looks okay. Basically, there's this payload that I'm trying to upload to GitHub, and if I'm updating an existing file, I should include the SHA, and then I can go ahead and upload that. It works, but it's kind of copying it as raw text. So I'm gonna see if I can export it to Markdown instead. I changed it to MD here, and it should be able to handle that. And I also ran it down here. Things work. I generated a third text post. Let's go ahead and run the code. Okay, it's not bad, and lorem ipsum kind of looks like this. So the Markdown was generally working, but it was exporting with a backslash in front of all the kind of metadata tags. So basically I added another clean exported content that gets rid of the backslash. And then here's the image that I just used the default stuff and the content in the center. Nice, okay.